Hello, it's Fiona here at Bissy's Permaculture Educational Centre. I almost forgot what I was going to say then, I'm so puffed. I've been shifting a fair bit of compost stuff here down to the other area, so we've got it in two areas. But I just wanted to show you here, this is another part of what we've been doing, some propagating. Yes, it's succulents. Succulents are really good on the ground if you want to stabilise it. So we've got quite a lot of that there. Plus, we're just about to, in this space here, let's get rid of that close one off there, just about to, in this space here, the market gardens, we're going to give them a bit of a churn up and plant some more product in there. We did do potatoes the other day, rhubarb, strawberries, garlic, but we've got some peas and beans, and I'm actually going to see the fence that comes around. Where are we? You can see the fence and it's wire. So my thoughts are I'm going to plant all the beans and peas around the internal side of this fence, so they can actually grow up and around the fence. So I get height as well. So that's what I'm up to now. Just give you a beautiful look at the hill behind. The scenery is just stunning here. There wasn't much water here this morning, so I've been actually going around and watering everything. Also our banana plants, they're just making sure they've got the water they need. And yeah, here we are again. We've been collecting up lots and lots of pallets. Where are we? Over here. Lots and lots of pallets for the so that the pallet building workshop. Don't forget to check that one out. It's a 3-day pallet building course that we're doing. Terry's the builder because he's built a pallet building before, and we're making it all out of pallets. And yeah, it's 3 days of showing you how to do it and getting a building very cheap, and probably more importantly, reusing and recycling materials that are available to us. Okay, so that's about it from me today. There's a couple of different stories there. So yeah, I look forward to talking to you next time I'm out here. Bye.